It's me. It's me. Okay, get it. Okay, get back. Hi. I have to talk really quietly because, oh. I have to talk really quietly because Marty the cat is sleeping right next to me, you see. And he's snoring. He's snoring really bad. And, so I brought my camera. With me to bed so I could, record it so you guys could hear. Because I know you guys don't really believe this cat snores the way, no cat snores like this. Okay, this is really amazing. So, okay, I have to turn off the light though so you can hear it. So I don't want to wake him up or anything. So, and he doesn't like cameras. He gets really upset if he knows that I'm doing this. He gets really pissed off. So, okay, you have to listen because it's really quiet. Okay, hang on. Turn off the flashlight. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, put it close here so you can hear it. Can you believe that? Oh my gosh, I have to listen to that every single night. Ah! And if you think that's really Marty the cat snoring, you're more gullible than I